Hi, I'm Holly Silva and I've been a crafts expert for 15 years, and today I'm going to show you how to make a ribbon heart decoration. Now here I have a heart that I cut out of a piece of construction paper, and I'm going to take this really cool pretty ribbon that I have that's double-sided, it's satiny and it's netty and it's great, and I'm going to take this ribbon and I'm going to decide what I'm going to do with it. Let's make it fluffy. We're just going to make these like pretty ribbon shapes all over the place. You know what a ribbon shape is. So we're going to take our double stick tape, our trusty old double stick tape, and we're going to put it everywhere. Just going around every side of the heart, every inch. There we go. Everywhere that you want a little ribbon shape, a little poofy ribbon shape, or a bend or a fold or whatever you want to call it, that is where we're going to put the tape. Okay, so we want an extra one right there, and maybe here. And there, and here, that side. Okay, now we're going to take our ribbon and we're going to strategically place it around the heart. Folding it and bending it any which way to give it some texture. So that was just a stray piece. But we're going to continue here at the top. I'm going to loop it over here. We're going to hide that by going under there. And there. And you're just going to loop it all over the place. Like that. Don't think I forgot the back corner, because I didn't. And there. Okay. Now that we've done that, maybe cut like a pretty edge. And then take the other edge. And with this, we're going to place as much of the ribbon that we can on this one piece of tape. And just make this extra cool little design up here. And that is how to make a ribbon heart decoration. See you next time.